How to add and use multiple Instagram accounts. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. You'll find this kind of screen pop up after you click on your profile on bottom right corner of your screen. Then simply click on your username on top with arrow. From here, you can add Instagram accounts up to 7. You can also switch accounts from here. To switch account, you can simply click on your profile or simply create an account up to 7 to simply switch. You can also simply change your account or simply switch your account by pressing on profile like option on bottom right. Double click on it and another account will open. This is how to add and use multiple Instagram accounts. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.